Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today, let's make our American Girl dolls super yummy cupcakes. This is a quick and easy DIY that you can completely customize to make your dolls their favorite flavor of cupcake and frosting. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! Wow, these cupcakes look delicious!
Thanks. What flavor would you like?
Vanilla!
Sure, it's on the house.
For the cupcakes, you will need 22mm cover buttons bought from your local hardware store and large corks. Measure and mark 1.5 centimeters from the base of your cork. Cut this section apart, then adhere a wooden cover button on top with hot glue. Next, paint your cupcake. For a traditional vanilla flavor, we mixed white with yellow ochre to get a warm cream color. For chocolate cupcakes, we used Reeves Burnt Sienna. It takes a few coats of the cream for the paint to become opaque, especially over the cork. However, the brown is more pigmented and didn't need as many layers. Set them aside to dry. While waiting, let's make frosting from cotton balls. Start by mixing even parts white paint with liquid glue. Take one cotton ball and unroll it. Gently separate the strip into two pieces. Dunk your strip into the paint glue mixture, stirring it around so the cotton ball is completely covered. Tease the ball out into a straight strip again. Then twist it to create some texture. Next, coil the strip using a spiral motion to make a little dollop of cream. Leave to dry out and harden. We also made chocolate frosting in the same way. Glue it to the top of your cupcake. Apply more liquid glue to attach some toppings. Here we have tiny clay stars bought for $2 a packet at Lincraft. Be creative and search your stash. For sprinkles, you can cut tiny pieces of coloured cardstock just like we did in our rainbow cake video. For our chocolate cupcake, we used small resin flowers, again bought at Lincraft. Now let's craft cupcake liners. For this, we followed Totally Rudy's instructions. A link to her awesome video will be in the description box. Take your regular patty pan and cut away the circular bottom. Cover the pretty side generously with liquid glue. Use another cork as the mold. Then drape your patty pan over the base, pressing the sides down firmly. Cut a 1.5 centimeter wide strip off the ruffled patty pan to adhere around the side of the cork. For extra strength, apply more glue to attach another ruffled strip. Leave to dry, then remove from the cork. We made both purple and pink liners to complement our cupcake decorations. Have fun making your dolls all kinds of cupcakes. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!